Imagine this for a second. What if you could buy a brand new Tesla, not for $50,000, not even for $30,000, but for a price that almost anyone could afford? What if owning a futuristic electric vehicle wasn't just for the wealthy, but for everyday students, families, retirees, and workers who just want safe, smart, and affordable transportation? Well, that future isn't decades away anymore. Elon Musk has just announced something that could shake not just the auto industry, but the entire economy worldwide. We're talking about the brand new 2026 Tesla Model 2, and here's the shocking part. This car is set to launch at a starting price of just $11,759. This is the EV that Musk has been hinting at for years. The so-called People's Tesla. And now it's finally real. Today we're going to break it all down. The features, the technology, the comparisons with other automakers, the impact on the US economy, the challenges Tesla will face, and why this little car might be Elon Musk's most disruptive invention yet. Part 1. The big reveal. So let's start with the big announcement itself. Tesla has officially revealed that the Model 2 is coming in 2026, positioned as the cheapest Tesla ever made, and arguably the most important car in the company's history. Think about it. Tesla started with the Roadster, a flashy sports car for the wealthy. Then they moved to the Model S, a luxury sedan that redefined what electric vehicles could be. Then came the Model 3, the so-called affordable EV that became one of the best-selling cars in the world. But even the Model 3 starts around $40,000, which is still out of reach for most people. Now comes the Model 2. At just $11,150, it undercuts not just other EVs, but most traditional gas cars, too. For perspective, the average new car price in America is around $48,000. The Model 2 is literally a quarter of that. Elon Musk has always said his mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. But you can't do that if only the wealthy can afford your cars. The Model 2 is the true realization of Tesla's master plan. Make EVs affordable for everyone. Part 2. What's inside the Model 2? Now let's dive into the car itself. Because if you're wondering how Tesla can make a car this cheap while still being futuristic and desirable, the answer lies in some insane innovations. Range and battery first. Range. The Tesla Model 2 will reportedly have over 300 miles of range on a single charge. That's already better than many EVs that cost 2 or 3 times as much. How is this possible? It's thanks to Tesla's next-generation battery technology, specifically 4680 cells, and possibly their upcoming aluminum-ion breakthrough. Autopilot and AI next. Autopilot. Yes, even at this low price, the Model 2 will come with Tesla Autopilot standard. We're talking about lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and even partial self-driving features. This alone makes it stand out, because no other $12,000 car on Earth has AI-driven driving tech, design, and durability. The Model 2 will also be built using Tesla's Giga Press technology. Instead of dozens of welded parts, the chassis is cast in giant one-piece structures. This reduces cost, increases safety, and makes the car lighter and more durable. Shock value, but here's the biggest shocker. The Model 2 will reportedly come with Starlink internet built in. Yes, free satellite internet right inside your car. Imagine being connected anywhere in the US, even rural areas where cell service is weak. That's game-changing. Part 3. How Tesla stacks. Up against the competition now, let's compare the Model 2 with other players. Take BYD, the Chinese EV giant. They've been releasing affordable EVs in the $15,000, $20,000 range, but they don't have Tesla's brand, Tesla's AI, or Tesla's charging network. Look at Hyundai or Kia. Their EVs are solid, but even the cheapest ones start around $30,000. And then there's Apple's rumored EV. Apple might make a flashy car with cool features, but you know it won't come cheap. Tesla wins because it's not just selling a car, it's selling an ecosystem. Solar panels, power walls, superchargers, AI software updates, and now Starlink internet. No other company in the world has that full package. This is why the Model 2 isn't just another cheap car, it's the gateway into the Tesla lifestyle. Part 4. The U.S. impact. Now, let's focus on the U.S., because this is where the disruption is going to be felt the most. The housing and cost of living crisis right now, Americans are struggling with affordability. Rent prices average around $2,000 per month. Gasoline prices keep climbing. Car ownership costs are at all-time highs. The Tesla Model 2 flips the equation. For just $11,650, you get a car that costs almost nothing to maintain, never needs gas, and comes with free Starlink internet. The monthly cost of owning a Tesla Model 2 could actually be less than what most people pay for fuel alone. Energy independence. This is more than just saving money. It's about energy independence. With a Tesla car, solar panels, and a Powerwall, an American family could literally cut ties with gas stations and utility companies. No fuel bills, no sky-high electricity bills. That's freedom. Disrupting real estate and banks. And let's not ignore the ripple effects. If more Americans can afford cars and homes thanks to lower costs, real estate developers and banks lose their leverage. People won't be trapped by 7-year car loans and 30-year mortgages as much. That's a fundamental shift in the U.S. economy. Part 5. Why Americans should care? So why should you, the viewer sitting in the U.S., actually care about the Model 2? If you're a student or young professional, this might be your very first car, a Tesla, for under $12,000. If you're a retiree on a fixed income, this car gives you reliable transportation without high fuel and maintenance costs. And if you're a tech lover, this is your chance to own a car with AI, self-driving capabilities, and Starlink internet for the price of a used Honda Civic. The Model 2 isn't just a car, it's an opportunity. Part 6. The challenges ahead. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Tesla will face some serious challenges bringing the Model 2 to reality. Government approvals. Local governments may try to regulate Tesla's disruptive business model. Size limitations. The Model 2 will likely be a compact car, great for singles and small families, but maybe not for everyone. Industry pushback. Oil companies, legacy automakers, and even real estate developers won't like how disruptive this car could be. Expect lobbying, lawsuits, and resistance. But if there's one thing we know about Elon Musk, it's that he doesn't back down from a fight. Part 7. Elon Musk's future vision, and this brings us to Musk's bigger vision. Because the Model 2 is not the end, it's the beginning. Elon has openly talked about Tesla smart cities. Imagine neighborhoods where every home has Tesla solar, every family drives a Tesla EV, every street has Tesla charging stations, and Starlink provides high-speed internet everywhere. Transportation, energy, and internet, all bundled together. That's the world Musk wants to build. And the Model 2 is the entry ticket to that future finally. So now the big question is this. Would you buy a $11,159 Tesla Model 2 if it came with free Starlink internet and ultra-low ownership costs? Or do you think this is just another Elon Musk experiment that might not live up to the hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. Because trust me, the next Tesla announcement is going to be even bigger, and you do not want to miss it.